Hi friends, I'm here at Akshaya Motors Puttur, and in front of me is the 2023 version of the Xpulse, which is recently launched. And I have my Xpulse here. This is a 22 model. I can give clear comparison what has been changed here. So the first thing what you can notice is the bigger windscreen. So the windscreen has been improvised, I can say. So when compared to the current existing model, this is longer and even wider. So this should give a good improvement in the highway cruising. And the second thing what you can notice is the headlamp. So headlight is redesigned, I would say, so when compared to the existing model. So let me just turn it on. So this is the DRL now, and this is the old model. So you can see the difference. And one thing is like now the low beam is projector setup, and the high beam is pure full LED setup. When compared to old, it's full LED, it's not projector setup. So that is one change you can notice. The switch lever has been redesigned. So now if you see, it looks more premium and of good quality. So the kill switch and all those things. And one thing is like now we can turn off the headlamp while it's running, so which was not the case in the old one. So the low beam used to be on all the time, but not this one. So you can turn it off at any moment. So let me just turn the motorcycle. So you can turn off the headlight now. As you can see, this is the low beam and this is the high beam. And Hero claims that the headlight is much brighter now. So we have to check in the night time how improvised it is. And the next thing what you can notice is here in the instrument console. So if you can see, the telltale lights have been redesigned, I would say. So earlier you are not getting this fuel meter, as well as the indicator was separate. Now if you see, the left and right has been integrated in the same light. So that is one thing. And the next thing what you can see is here they have added average meter here, so which was not there in the old model. And the most important change what you can see is this ABS mode. So this has 3 modes now: road, off-road and rally. So you can change it with the press of this button, mode button. So road mode is a normal, where the ABS is fully effective, and with off-road mode the ABS intrusion will be reduced a little bit, and with the rally mode it will be completely turned off. So that is one change you will notice, which was not there in the old version. So in the old version, the ABS used to turn on all the time. And the next thing what you can see is here. So this part of the grab rail, so they have given a hole here, so you can fit a pannier mount or a luggaging system very easily, which was not there in the old version. You can see here, it's blank or empty here. Whereas in this version they have given some nut and bolts. You can install a saddle rack or anything easily. And one major change what Hero has done is relocating the USB port to the front. So you can see here. So this is, I would say, is the best move what Hero has done. So with the old Xpulse, the charger USB port was under the seat, which was pretty, I would say, inaccessible during the ride. And Hero has done a good move, and they have moved it to the front. So now you can charge your mobile or gadgets very easily. One more change what you can see is these knuckle guards. This has been redesigned now. So earlier, if you have noticed, it was just like this, not fully connected here, and it was open on this side. But with this new version, they have redesigned it, and they have given a metal holder kind. This is this is a metal, and this is plastic, and this is metal, and yeah, this is definitely improvised and a good move from Hero. And talking about the paint scheme, so nothing much has been changed with the compared to the old model. Just that the X and the Pulse, the paint job of X and Pulse has been reversed now. Earlier, the X used to be in red color and Pulse used to be in white color. But with this, the X is in white color and the Pulse is in red color. And the same case with the other colors. Earlier, the black and blue, also the red and black. So the color has been reversed now. Apart from that, the engine performance, the power output, the torque output, the engine characteristics, the sprocket, gearing, everything is same as the old model. So there has not been any change with this area. In addition to all these features, Hero has also mentioned that they have updated the ergonomics to improve standing riding, that is saddling. And I did notice this while taking a test drive, so I was able to saddle more easily when compared to the 22 model. And talking about the price has been increased by around 4,500 rupees, and I think it's a worth for that price because you get this projector headlamps now, which is better than the old one, and of course you are getting this knuckle guard and this USB relocation of this USB charger, and I feel it makes sense for the price hike. One more update is the Rally Edition, which was launched as a special edition, will be relaunched again with the same paint scheme and of course with the new set of features. So this will be sold along with the standard version, and it will continue to be sold with the raised suspension and all the other extra accessories what the original Rally kit had. And this variant will be called as Xpulse 4V Pro. So this is just a quick look at the 23 version of the Xpulse. Hope you have liked this video. So that's all for this video. If you all like it, please give a like button, give a comment and subscribe. Bye bye.